Hi guys, it's Laura and today I'm here in the beautiful Leamington Spa to visit with Brian and the team at Identify Direct. Now these guys are experts in factory automation and logistics using barcode scanners and machine vision smart cameras. So let's go see what it's all about.
Hello, I'm Brian Castellino and I'm the Managing Director of Identify Direct. Identify Direct works in factories. A typical customer has a fast-moving production line, and what we do is we help them to improve their quality, save costs by installing barcode cameras, barcode scanners and machine vision cameras on the production lines. So typically what we check is labels. So for example, we can check it's the right label on the right product. And also on the label we can check the characters. For example, we can check it's the right date and right lot code if it's a pharmaceutical product. Okay, here's an example of the equipment we use. So we go from this, which is just about the smallest thing we do. It's a Honeywell scan engine. So in there is a little camera which can read barcodes and do optical character recognition, and that ranges up in size to bigger versions of the same. And then a Honeywell scan engine in a little module which is used in airports to scan your boarding pass, also used in McDonald's. Now we move on to a Microscan product. Microscan was originally the company I worked for, and here's the smallest one. It's an ID20. It's now sold by Omron, so we go from there to there, which actually has more power than that full-blown PC over there. It can do all sorts of stuff, including measuring the angle of labels, make sure they're straight, check barcodes. And then we have the Omron products. We also do our own custom systems. A CheckRight scans barcodes on labels. So the production line, products come past, we turn the key, it learns the first one, and after that it checks every one matches. We do other equipment like nice little stands to hold the cameras. This particular camera is used by a company which makes printed circuit boards, and it reads the data matrix barcode. Typical customers are fast-moving production lines, and these are in the food, pharmaceutical and electronics industries. So that's given you an idea of what we do. Now we can actually just ship them to customers who know what they're doing and they can install the equipment themselves, or we can go and install it for them, so hold their hand. We also supply to machine builders, so we can supply to them and teach them how to use the smart cameras and the barcode readers. Going with us, we hopefully think of most of the eventualities, and when we install a system, it's usually almost 100% works reliably and carries on working for many years.
Well, I've got to say, today has felt like a little school trip. I have learned so much, and it's been great chatting to Brian because he's so passionate about what he does. So if you're a manufacturing or logistics company or work in factory automation, then make sure you're getting in touch with the team at Identify Direct. See ya.